Welcome to SRE StatConsultancy Services. Whether you're a researcher, doctor, or student, understanding statistics is crucial for medical research. In this video, we'll cover the basics of statistics and show how it transforms data into actionable insights. Let's dive in. Medical research revolves around data, patient outcomes, disease trends, and treatment effectiveness. Statistics helps us answer critical questions like, does this drug work better than the existing one? Is it safe for patients? Without statistics, drawing conclusions from data would be impossible. To understand statistics in medical research, we need to start with two key types of statistics. Descriptive statistics, summarizing data using measures like mean, median, and standard deviation. Inferential statistics, drawing conclusions about a population based on a sample. Data in medical research can be quantitative numerical values like blood sugar levels, qualitative categorical values like disease types or treatment responses. Now, let's explore some common statistical tools used in medical research. The t-test compares the means of two groups, like assessing the effectiveness of drug A versus drug B. The chi-square test is used for categorical data, like comparing response rates between genders. And regression analysis predicts outcomes, such as how smoking increases lung cancer risk. In research, we use p-values and confidence intervals to validate results. A p-value less than 0.05 indicates the result is statistically significant, meaning it's unlikely due to chance. Confidence intervals show the range within which the true effect is likely to fall, providing a measure of precision. Imagine you're evaluating a new vaccine. The data shows it reduces disease incidence by 70% with a statistically significant result. This builds confidence in recommending it to your patients. Mastering biostatistics doesn't have to be daunting. Here are some tips to get started. Learn the basics. Mean, standard deviation, and hypothesis testing. Practice with statistical software like R, SPSS, or SAS. Apply your knowledge to real research data. Hands-on experience is key. Statistics is the backbone of medical research, transforming data into life-saving knowledge. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to SRE StatConsultancy Services. Let's simplify and demystify statistics together.